According to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. 7 divided by 2 can be written as 7 over 2. Then divided by 7 and divided by 2. Now we have to do this division. 7 divided over 2, then divided by 7. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And again here we can apply the KCF rule. So change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Okay? No. Excuse me, here we have 1 over 7. Now, we can easily cancel this 7 and this 7. So we have just 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which equals 1 over 4 or 0.25. And this is our final answer to this problem.